Welcome to day 12 of my cybersecurity learning journey. In today's TryHackMe room, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, I performed a complete penetration test against a Linux target inspired by the popular television series. I began with reconnaissance using Nmap, identifying 3 exposed services: FTP, SSH, and HTTP. Anonymous FTP access was enabled, allowing me to retrieve a note intended for Jake. The message revealed that Jake's password was weak, providing an important clue for the next stage of the assessment. Next, I examined the web server. The homepage contained an image and an HTML comment referencing steganography. Although extraction attempts with StegID did not reveal usable credentials in this instance, I documented the investigation using StegID, binwalk, and exiftool before pivoting to another attack path. Using Hydra and the RockU password list, I successfully brute-forced Jake's SSH password and gained authenticated access to the system. After logging in via SSH, I enumerated the host, identified additional user accounts, and located the user flag within Holt's home directory. Privilege escalation was straightforward after reviewing Jake's sudo permissions. The sudo configuration allowed execution of the less binary as root without requiring a password. Using the GTFOBins technique for less, I escaped to a root shell and obtained full administrative privileges before capturing the root flag. To reinforce the concepts learned, I also developed a Python automation script that assists with basic steganography investigations using StegID and binwalk. This room strengthened my understanding of service enumeration, anonymous FTP exploitation, password attacks, SSH access, Linux privilege escalation, and professional documentation. Thank you for watching my Day 12 walkthrough. Stay tuned as I continue documenting my journey toward becoming a professional penetration tester.